drop top to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2013 Ford Mustang convertible. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 35,825 on the odometer at the moment. Ingot silver metallic, stone turned leather interior, 3.7 liter, V6 underneath the hood. Let's take a look at the front fascia. Now there's a few little scuffs up here I did notice on a few spots. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Otherwise, paint appears to be in very nice condition. 6-speed automatic transmission paired up with that 3.7 liter. Check out all the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Good looking polished wheels. Pirelli radial tires. This car does have the V6 pony package, comfort package. As you can see back there a little further down the body of the car, side scoops. And you can see passenger side not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, paint's in nice shape. There's that stone turned leather interior. Bucket seats, of course, center console. Shaker stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. I'll also show you the top functioning going up and down. We'll check out the condition of that. As you can see, black vinyl top. Dual exhaust. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. There's a little scuff on that wheel right there, so you're aware of that. This is one of those cars, get in, turn the key, and go. As you'd expect with a one-owner clean Carfax. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. You have a power seat over here on the driver's side. As you can see, leather seating surfaces, nice condition, front and rear. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's the actual miles, 35,825. Obviously, you have information center. You can scroll through different things on that. Some track apps, trip gauge, gauge mode, settings, information, all that stuff. No service engine soon lights, check engine, nothing like that on. Stereo system working, obviously. Does have the sync system. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. I want to point out there is a little Audi there, I guess, if you will. Rear parking sensors. All right, let me get this hood popped open. I'm going to pause this a second, get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay. Then we'll check out the top up and down, and Jason will take it for a drive and show you how it goes down the road. There's the underside of the hood. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Very clean underside. And engine bay, there it is. Smooth running. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Plenty of power for this car. All right, let me go ahead and get the tripod set up here. I want to show you this convertible top working. We'll check out the condition of that. And here we go, power top up. As you can see, functions as it should. Side glass rolled up, nice fit, good tight fit above the windshield. Black vinyl. No rips, tears, holes. Glass, rear window, electric defog. What you'd expect on a 2013 model year. Passenger side glass up, nice tight fit. No surprises on the convertible top. I'll show you the function of it going back down into the storage area. And then Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Good looking 2013 Ford Mustang convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, over 100 pictures online of this one. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2013 Ford Mustang convertible. We have the top up today. This car is an automatic right here on the center console. Being a later model, a lot of our features are working great. If there's any flickering in the lights on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. The car itself looks just fine. Tachometer working, speedometer working. The temperature gauge showing a little over a third of the way up from cold, and the fuel gauge shows 3/4 of the tank. We got our steering wheel controls, great sound in the stereo. It is a very windy day in Minnesota today, and I'm hardly hearing any wind noise, so that convertible top is sealed nicely. Bucket seats very comfortable, nice road feel. It's just what you'd expect from a low mileage Mustang from 2013. Fairly quiet exhaust, honestly, from this car. If you're looking for that refined sound, this could be the car. Or, you know, you could always throw a cat back on it and make some noise. Brakes nice and smoothly. Power steering very good. Corners quite flat. Got a little bit of traffic. Not much left to say though. This is a nice condition, low mileage, 2013 Mustang. kicked it down a little bit for you. Plenty of power when you kick it down. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.